chingia mwancho mulire rwegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bo bwansu bo mugusi ritko neria Jumatano chitariki 5 cyo mutienyi ogatano na kabere umwaka no wechi rwibere na meronko ebere nebere chinga kibono atigaira matwe meronko 33 eriense ya Kenya goswaso bochore bonene oburobere gokorekana chitariki kyanda cyo mutienyi ogatano na gatatu umwaka yoiga chinga chingi mwancho mulire kero yaragire Ensa Eyemo yabono mugoroba ekarongo kwarigani eri onkomanye nara yankwarigane korwase Amayia Ensa Eyemo Iriatariane Evelyn Osero nurto kubatira nere asense ya imanyererio nigakoro kwa Joshua Auta. Mancho marire ringo konyoria muna nabako gandira gutobwate awetera asense media ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News na baiga somutandao Twitter nabako tonyora wetera @Ndizi TV News iritogendere go kumanya manki gukwariga nito chake Amayia Ensa Eyemo korwase county ya Kisii korwase county ya Nyamira awase korengana ne wizara yobocheno yaberege koraria buna ose nigo yaberege koraria buna omubaro bwabana banyaruka abo barense ye myaka emeronkebere nigo barokanire gotwara amarito agenkyo asebono keirerense ya Kenya kobekwa namba 3 ase okwa asaba n'abanyaruka konyora amarita mapema nabono nigo muri cyo itokorwase county ya Nyamira job monkey abagotwara chinga kibene na kokwanira omobisote ndiretamangana yabana korwase sub county ya Nyamira South aserieta Nimrod Ndayala oyo bagakuboria abayibori kwene kyabunankorenda bare abana babo anina chinga kechiga abana barenka somutumoko werusa korwase amasomo
Kubwatekana no roboti rwakore tune wizara yobochenu nigo Kenya eregatie chinse chitangaine asabana babwate amarito barense myaka 13 Ndizi TV nto iregetambukero gyo gotarira omwabisa okorwanerera obwene bw'abana ase county ya Nyamira South Nimrod Ndayala alijo oyotoerera sobwagare igoro yengane yo komenteka kwa abana bale n'obolito.
A brief holiday session. We've noticed that there's quite a number of issues of concern. Key among them is teenage pregnancies, which at our office it is recorded as neglect cases.
Nasaba bayiboli goikabana babo ange ekerogie chinga kyechicherusa na koba maegelio amaya.
I would like to urge parents to be keen when it comes to monitoring their children, because we realize that most of the time parenting is left to teachers.
Abana mbasobogo konya bayiboli na kwerenda buya ekerogie chinga kyechicherusa. Nasemya abana gosoera muntonde bwensi oyoko bonerelia obwene bwabo.
Our children to also take good care of themselves, and if they are having any challenges at home, they can report to their parents, any relative. They can report to any local authorities that they are aware of, be it at school, be it at home, be it at any local administrator. That is, they can dial 116 and they'll be properly guided and also assisted.
Engana yo morembe asichinga kichia siasa abana mbasabo kwerenda na gwetanga korwase chibura buru chinde chionsi.
So they can do so, only attend rallies, but they can the proper way is to seek advice from the parent, and also let them be accompanied by parents, because you see if they go alone, something can befall them.
Bono nigo esegeto ya rurugo cha sabaiboli balende abana babo na abana gwetanga kurwasi chisagwe chire chimbe na mangana atali amaya kurwasi chiabisi cha abana ime county Nyamira ginko reporter ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi.
Miyamano murikeito job mangi asorboti ururu ikiranu kurwa se county ya Nyamira kirabona koro kwegena buna abayiburi mbache kwene kyango baikabare abana babange nubwo kuba orokereria chimbwa chingia munenchiremo yoko batanga gusiko bakonya gwetanga kurwa se amakongu ye chingenjo au una amarwairo butumekibwa mariyo gotindia na boigo amarito agenkyo ase abana banyaruka toko ira na se county ya Kisii nigo abana boda kurwa se county ya Kisii barire ira yo chakumubwatia umurwaniriria bwekerogo kyobo governor ase county ya Kisii wetera ase kiama ya Kenya National Congress Manson Oyongo oyorire ira yo gochia gwikirania magendero ye chingencho au chinga kiara iwe ribaga ryokora aya ni onsini gakorekana ase amagacho echi bisi chekia mekyo KNC ase ensemere ya Nyamataro no muri cyo Sara Nyarangi ontita ni gwabaga gutarira gwikirana sensemeyo na tigatoiwe nararia ya atwariganiretie
Kijita yikabiria na ndere gari zikala akolete chekabu ono ndara ndara
Ekiminano kyubo governor se county ya Kisii nigo kegenderete ne chimbero cyokoligiana gokwana n'abamenyi ba Kisii lyokoligiye gusirwa asabarayi bali bakoligiye kirogekyo
zero kakago nkoli kabiriri ndi very busy kanere wodi ekweka muzindi mama baby
Manson Oyongo kurwe kiama kia Kenya National Congress KNC onyoliro gosirwa kurwa sensemo y'abana boda kurwa se bunge ya Kitutu Chache South.
Mheshimiwa Manson Oyongo otwariganira ntobu n'abagetutu poda ito yonsi y'abarayi otwekira n'amangana twarorire n'amangana amaya otogotebanga Mheshimiwa Manson Oyongo korengana na amangana aye gose manifesto yaye igaisaine asogotogambira Kisii County
nigo boigo abarai au gati yabo oyokoligie kerogo kyobo MCA Kitutu Central wetera ekiamekyo gya Kenya National Congress Richard Atandi nigo bateba wetera obokoreri bwa yobya Oyongo na isaine asokora county ya Kisii
ngo batari kwanza abana habari asante asogoto ikange batayebo maenanga perform montora katakonya Manson Oyongo tusakora record mira ko letekerari ngo kumubunga
omuntu kweka oraba rende nekore
Oyongo naerera aliara chikokorera abamenyi mono abana boda asaina kyago chekobachi driving license kera omarundia iliokoenekia obokaryo bya asechibara
onanua pikipiki 130,000 wakati umelipa mpaka umalishe kulipa you pay 280. Sasa nataka kuambia na muniamini muniangalie vizuri nitapeana pesa revolving fund which you not pay interest hamtalipa faida
nigo boigo asaba abantu bonsi komosira elio achikoleta amonchorelia ase county ya Kisii anene amagendero ase chinsemo chengencho ase abamenyi abo gati yabo amache obokorelio bya bwabachenu obolemi gati ya magenderande amange
patia nafasi nikikuwa gavana yenu nitawaletea maji kwa maneno yangu nasema 1 kilometer tap to water 1 kilometer tap to water so I will get you water right in your areas you have water because money is there west you should not have a challenge on that.
Sara Nyarangi ontita Ndizi TV
Mancho marigari richinga kechecho nigo omokonyi bw'umurayo bw'ekiama kia KNC Alfred Ndemo aberega kwerusia kobo mokonyi oya nako tebabna nigo arache kumusira Simbarati uyokorye kirogo ky'obugavana se county ya Kisii wetrase kiama kia ODM kuri ndo mancho marigari roboti orundo chokoretera senchira yobwekiranu ekero chirarage chinsa isato togotikana nayo nigo siasa chia ekiama kia UDA cyabachiko bwata inseme ye county ya Kisii chikorawa no muriruki bendera yekirogo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii Ezekiel Machogu nabo igo mokonyi bwo governor se county ya Kisii oyobo igo koliye kirogo kyobo senator wetara se kiamekyo Dr. Josh Mangi nigo be yakere koko asensemo ya utamba hiyo gotoka se bunge nyaribari chache meye county ya Kisii okwana chinga kiecho Machogu ni gabuli abamenyi beseme yo kobabwatia iro chakoreta magendro ase county ya Kisii oroboti oru asenchira yobo ikirani ngo twariganire no muri keito Josephat Amisi
ise ya matuko emerongo itatu maiga yense ya Kenya gosoa ase obochori obonene bono chikampeni chugweakira ekokonigo chigenderete ase ense ya Kenya anene ase orogongo orwagusi lizukolia lero murwaniriria bwekero kyobo governor gwetera ase ticket ya UDA zekiri machogu niganyara ko bagakora baraibande ase campaign imeyense ya utamba ase constituency ya Nyaribari chache
Magagaria bagakamaro mwanjera na makwanya komorancha abantu baminto ongereza ngana bantu tenande nerwete ko bakore bashingiya naendo monto byukora tunyere borongo bunabanyari bari bunagushi ega koro kubiria musamaru tumwanjira mu machi kure baki abanyari bari asamasukari mwanjira nire baki ngoro kingo ko bakora mwanjire
Zekilio nyarako bagakoro sietare yona abaraibande gati yabo omurwanire bwekerogo kia obo Senator Joash Mangi niganyarire ko bagakobagania abamenyi banyari bari chachi banyare ko bakomwakera ekura omurwanire bwekero kyobo bunge ase constituency nyari bari chache Zairi Chanda gati ya alia nyarako bagako okwanere ya chandi gateba nigaranyare ko bakubaretera amagendero ayabwenderete ase constituency yo ase chinga kichintambe ya rokanirenga abirige kwirana maiga
akina intwekera bamachoga bago tobuga wanantoko babo Senator wetera Mangi abanyari bari muri norete kauni to chimbebe chinto cyasariwe omumuro yo sariri chimbebe chinto cyo manyari bari nano mugo babo Senator bakimwanjire to Mangi ngoro kinga moka Mangi ngala kingoro kingo eriya tatabantu babinto omongi na terasa bitutoro monchari ndibachi abutke nuitiro bote abangina nabaletele kibyosa chino na nabakorera ashingiya bakimwanjire nko amara bitutukura aro no musuma mu manyari bali ingo manyari bali no torere ndeka machikure no twakasha mu twantire gakingoro kyamawaka bitutungo
Urwaniriya boigo bubo Senator Joash Mangi niganyara ko bagakobagania abamenyi abo banyara ko bakubwatira naso bwamo linde banyara ko bakwenekia ngabanyare ko bakomwakereze klima cyo guchikura linda nyara ko baga guchikora county eyo ya Kisii na boigo nigo banyara ko bakomwakera ekoko omurwanire bwekia magia UDA asobora yobonere bwense William Ruto asebateba nigo obono arachiko bagakwenekia bunakera NCM ya Kenya nyara ko bage konyora amagendro arengaine
nadigara nyomba mangi mwate korora umongira butu mwate korora ibarira mwate korora zaire mwate korora intende mori nos mangi yani amwate zaire iga yana mungatare nusti muzaneka
Kolibotelia kurwa Ndizi TV liderana kwa Josephat Amesi
tugendrete korigereria amangana agesiasa nigo omokonyi wo muskiraila Amolo Odinga uyorumiruke bendera yobomo yekirogo kyobra yobonene bwense wetrase obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja wa Kenya musbat Martha Karua nigabaga kumerana nabateneri baborokia omuroberi okorekana sensemo ya Ruaka imeye county ya Kiambu ukona chinga kecho Martha Karua nigateba buna nigo barache kubeka emirobero au yoko inoke bunango kinabare ebirengo byekisemi ime yense ya Kenya orabate urase nchira yobekiranu tigatoyo natwariganire no muri keito Sara Nyarankyo ntita
Konyoye omuraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga asoba mabwa Azimio la Umoja Omosubati Martha Karua nigo aganirie ababisa bani baguchia gutenenera obocholi bu mwakoyo mbaba isagoswana na machibu yobocholi obuo nigo ayakuanaya chingaki aumerana na babwatani bechisemi korwase kiombe kia nat kupet nekiombe kia banyagitari KMPDU asabo liaborokia nabo bisa bobolendi kubwaterana eliobocholi obwe bokorwe asenjera yobwegenwa nobwasioku.
A lot of teachers are the presiding and returning officers, please don't listen to anyone from whichever side asking you to corrupt the process. Be true. I want this message to all presiding, returning officers, counting clerks, everybody in that chain, every police officer, every one of us involved in the electoral chain. Let us stand up for Kenya.
Nigo boigo ateba serikali ya Azimio la Umoja wanyakego chakoira oborai neche kuligereria amangana ya borokia amangana yobochenu aiga Kenya amona gosieka ebitacho byobokurumekegima eliense egenderere bosio.
On health, Babacare will ensure everybody is catered for. Babacare is not NHIF. It is more than NHIF. Even in leadership, what qualities are we looking in leaders? We are looking for integrity, which covers everything. It covers trustworthiness. It covers respect. It covers the human touch.
Neli omonene asekyombe gya kupet akelo misori nigaganirie obomobwa Azimio la Umoja kuligereria na goreta amonchorelio asensemo ye chiskuru chinga kibaraswe na koira eserikali asobocholio bonene bole bosio.
1.5 years, you saw how Kenya National Union of Teachers suffered. Salaries and Remuneration Commission. This is a constitutional condition which, as you are coming in as the Deputy President and as the Minister for Justice, this is what will make us to support the reforms which are envisaged in your leadership. That constitution is going to make Kenya be double footnoted at the International Labour Conference.
Sara Nyarangi Ontita, Ndizi TV.
Omwirurukia bendera yekirogo kyobora yobonene bwense wetrase kiama kia Ruta George Wajakoya nigo abeirega kubagikeria baria bagukana bunere tari omo Kenya askeri atebire buna ere no muiboria bwense ya Kenya asoboiga abeire ga kubagikeria ababwatani bosabwatani baye bwo mokonyi bwo murai bwense ya Kenya Dr. William Samoei Ruto asoko mumochi akubatikana na mangana au ayora se manifesto yaye ayora achikoba kolera aba Kenya chingakie chiboigo niga abeire ka gukana burobuna ere go chiwasoa ase debate eyo ebekera chikoba bwatania abarwanirira bekirogo kyobura yobonene bwense onye omosikira ila Amolo Odinga na boigo Dr. William Samoei Ruto tibari go chigoikirana ase debate eyo.
I've never changed my citizenship. These suckers ought to read. They ought just to go to a simple internet and Google. They're wasting their time writing the British Embassy. Ruto, I will be with you on the ballot. Stop your supporters playing mayhem. You win, I support you. You lose, I win, you support me. I'm not directing this at you personally, but you are stupid supporters. And let me make it clear, if Ruto and Raila are not on presidential debate, I'm not going to waste my time debating with Waigo. What is his name? A guy who has a mental cut on his head, who is stalking me. He wants me to talk about him so that he can receive some kind of mileage? No, sir. I'm only going to debate Ruto and Raila.
Nekerabano obo mumboria bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya bwagenderea na siasa chabo ime iye kaunti ere ya Kiambu nigo mugavana we kaunti ya Meru Moske Kiraitu Murungi apaga wakera ekoko obo mobwase kaunti ya Meru asate babuna Azimio la Umoja One Kenya na buboka bobwate amarorama yayo gochakoreta maunchorero na boiga magendero ime yense ya Kenya.
We amini usiamini, rais wa 5 atakuwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Na deputy president, naibu wa rais, atakuwa Martha Wangari Karua. Atakuwa nani? Wangari Karua. Gavana wa Meru atakuwa nani? Nyinyi msijali. Serikali ambayo inaingia kwa national government itakuwa serikali ya Azimio. Na hapa Meru serikali itakuwa ya Azimio.
Abaseneta nigo baganirie serikali gokora gusea maunchuriro gokorwa ase richike ritererete ebunge ye Senate eryo kubaoroberia guseko bakonya gokora emirimo yabo na goyekirania buna ebwenerete.
And so we would like to make sure that the Senate comes up as the upper house. That's the only way you can discharge fully your mandate. If you can actually take the responsibility as the upper house, where you can veto certain things and make it possible for people to refer the work from the National Assembly to the Senate.
The only thing we would like to do is to make sure that anything that is pending, which is good, is not left hanging. We have bills, we have motions that were not cleared, and we want to hand them over so that the staff can be the custodians, and going forward, they should be able to encourage the next Senate to continue with those matters.
We want to take the stock to check on the lesson learned and improve on some of the weaknesses that we thought could be. And therefore, this workshop, at the end of it, we wanted to come up with some blueprint that could be a guide to the fourth Senate that is coming in the next few months.
Abanyanyimbo korwase omuchwel Doret nigo babeka byara enya soere eyo isaine chiringi emilioni yemo asensemo ya Elgon View Estate me county ya Ewa Sinigishu kurengana baraboni go batabna enya soere yo nigo yasmekire ase enyombe yemo asensemo ye bedroom sitting room na boigo enyomba yo koragera egento batabna nigo bakonyo nabamenyi bechinsemecho eriyo kobeka byara enya soere yo asinonya nabo omonye nenya soere yo
This crop, which we highly suspect is bank or cannabis sativa, grown inside the house at the various points or at various rooms of the house. The suspect or the owner of the house was not in and is the person we are looking for.
Serikali nigo yabekire richiko rie curfew ria matuko emeronke tato ase chinsemo au asorogongo Rua Rift Valley gatia bensemo ya Baringo Elgeyo Marakwet na boigo West Pokot neyango watkana no koburwa kuburendi okogendrete kwenekiwa ase chinsemecho na korengana no mu commissioner borogongo Rua Rift Valley Mali Mohammed nigataire buna nigo barachi kogendera kubeke bitambukiro biwenerete eryo kwenekia buna oburendi wabeire bogotinyiwa ase chinsemecho.
So we are going to extend the dusk to dawn curfew for another 30 days effective tomorrow, so that tuendelee kufanya ile kazi mzuri ambayo imefanyika. Hiyo ni ujumbe kwa walinda usalama wenzetu kama regional team kwa kisha ya kuwa we are not in hurry to lift the curfew because we have seen a lot of good work happening there. That is our message to the residents of Kerio Valley.
Mwancho marigereria igano ngokorera Amayia Ensa Eyemo asenchira ere yoboikeranu kurende nyora buna ntamanke ngwariganiritie ayona koreterekero chirarage chinsa isato igabano to basaguskare gati yabo siasa chobo mu bwa Kenya kwanza asensemeria ya Marsabit nabo igo siasa chia Azimio ime ye county ya Kiambu egati ya yanda manke mbye muna sogochora kobana nchiko ikomeryo bali bonse baba kubatira na nchiri ko ene kyabuna mangana ya wekera senchira ere yoboikeranu na barabuni gonko bakiranga mbye mono nyorana bakoendera gutonyora sensemeria ya YouTube wetera Ndizi TV News na baigaso mutandao Twitter ni goratonyora wetera @Ndizi TV eryo togendere gukumanyia amange yendera gutwara oborigereri borobia retariane Evelyn Osero urutwa kubwatira nere kwenekia onsi ya wekera sensemo yimanyererio ni gakoro kwa Joshua Auta.